Mac Property Redevelopment's most recent flip. Located in Cathedral City, minutes from downtown Palm Springs in Rancho Mirage, this unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a nice open living area. With a patio overlooking the pool, new countertops, floors, and bathrooms, this great opportunity will not last. The condo was purchased for $100,000, saw $15,000 worth of renovations, and is now on the market for $215,000 and expected to sell quickly. Can you guess how long the renovation took? First person to guess correctly will receive a $10 Starbucks or vanilla gift card. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment below and enjoy the rest of the video.